Downpours in Fort Myers causing businesses to shut down for 3 days now to deal with this flooding. It's not only causing physical damages to that property, it's also hitting their bottom line. 4 News Corner's Catherine Marsh speaking to one business owner who says the rain can't stop soon enough.
The rain just keeps coming and coming.
It's affecting all of us now with all this rain here, and it's hurting the businesses.
And they desperately need it to stop.
I can't pay my bills, can't pay staff, can't pay anything.
Since Friday, Carmelo said he's had more caution tape put out in the parking lot, trying to stop people from driving through this deep water.
Here's the weight coming in now from a small car. You know, imagine when a big truck comes in, it just comes up to the sidewalk.
So he called for backup.
Yesterday they had 3 trucks pulled over that were just flying up and down because they think it's a game and they're having fun, and it creates a wake.
Not to mention the other dangers he's noticed in the water.
We had an alligator in there from the lake in the back. We had a bald eagle. We watched the bald eagle swoop down and catch a fish out of this.
He says it's never been this bad.
We reached out to Lee County Utilities. They said this water can't go into the drains because the drains are filled, the lakes are filled, the ponds are filled.
So the water has nowhere else to go.
The water has come up into the kitchen from the drain systems.
And these businesses need help.
Make this natural disaster. Maybe we can go through our insurance companies, but until they say that, there's nothing that we can do.
Reporting in Fort Myers, Catherine Marsh, Fox 4, in your corner.
And Carmelo says the water in front of his business has gotten progressively worse with each day, and he's not sure when he'll be able to reopen his business.